Hi guys, it's Rob from Currys. I'm here today to show you how to disconnect a washing machine. Obviously, we'll gladly remove the old one and install a new one if you don't fancy doing it yourself, but we're also going to show you the steps because it's really easy to do. Firstly, check the drum to make sure it's empty and then unplug the machine from the mains. Pull your washing machine away from the wall and you'll see a hose connected to an outlet. Turn the hose off using the small tap on top of it and then place a bucket underneath the tap so that you're prepared for any spare water that drops out. Then you're ready to unscrew the cold water inlet pipe. Once that's done, identify your wastewater hose. It's the one that goes from the back of your machine into the waste pipe. You can easily detach it by just pulling it off. Now you're ready to fit your shiny new machine. If you'd like more info about washing machines, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.